Hi, I'm GC Scoots. I'm the latest and greatest Golden Companion scooter. Hop on, let me show you what we can do. All Companion scooters offer many safety features. An adjustable, super bright front LED lighting package, red lights in the back, and side reflectors to boot. 2 adjustable rear view mirrors, 4 tie-down strap points, height and width adjustable arms. Plus, all Companions are made to perform with strong metal alloy wheels for durability, solid flat-free tires with quiet tread, the most foot and legroom in its class, 2 large batteries for all-day range, an easy access charger port up high on the tiller, and a troubleshooting guide right under the mat. Not only did Mr. Golden build it to last, but all Golden Companions are made easy to use. With a user-friendly auto tiller adjustment, just squeeze the adjustment handle and you can tilt the controls in infinite ways for a comfortable, ergonomic design. Plus, the Golden Companion family comes in 3 sizes to fit anyone, with weight capacities up to 400 pounds, and even offer an optional power elevating seat. Going up! Learn more at goldentech.com.